Today we're dwelling into a crucial topic: how to recognize the signs that your Forex mentor might be selling signals for a living. I'm your host FXGK. Let's uncover the key indicator to watch out for. Sign number 1. The growing popularity of Forex signals. Forex signals have gained popularity as a way for traders to receive trade recommendation from experienced individuals. While some mentors provide signals genuinely, there are those who use this as their primary source of income. Sign number 2. Lack of transparency. One of the most significant red flags is a lack of transparency. If your mentor is reluctant to share their trading history, track record, or strategy behind the signals they provided, it raises questions. Sign number 3. Consistent promises of profits. Be cautious if your mentor constantly promises high profits with minimal risk. While profitable trades are possible, no one can guarantee consistent wins in the volatile Forex market. Sign number 4. Pressure to subscribe to signal service. A mentor who frequently pressures you to subscribe to their signal service may have a financial interest in selling those signals. Genuine mentors prioritize your education and development. Sign number 5. Affiliate marketing and commissions. Some mentors earn commissions through affiliate marketing with signal providers. If your mentor encourages you to sign up for a specific signal service using their referral links, it's a potential. Sign number 6. Prioritizing mentors' gains over yours. A mentor's primary focus should be your growth and success as a trader. If it seems like they prioritize their own financial gains over your development, it's a warning sign. Sign number 7. Inconsistent trading behaviors. Observe your mentor's trading behaviors. If they engage in risky or impulsive trading, it may indicate that they rely on signal sales for income rather than trading prophecies. In conclusion, it's essential to be vigilant when choosing a Forex mentor. While many mentors generally aim to help you succeed, there are those who prioritize their own financial gains. Look for transparency, a focus on education, and mentors who genuinely care about your growth as a trader. If you find this video helpful in recognizing the signs of mentors who sell signals for a living, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with fellow traders. Until next time, this is FXGK signing off. May your trading journey be guided by knowledgeable and trustworthy mentors.